Hey guys, welcome back to Create with Creative, where editing becomes easy. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to add text and fully customize fonts in CapCut like a pro, including changing colors, styles, animation, and more. So hit that like button and turn on the bell so you don't have to miss any of our videos. You can proceed with CapCut editing if you don't have CapCut in your phone. So head over to your Play Store and download CapCut. But if you already do, let's dive in. So I will take it from here. Go straight to your CapCut app, enter the app, then you it will take you to new project. You add a new project. Which project do you want to edit? So let us edit picture. Today is picture. Let's talk about picture. So we'll tap on this picture over here and we add this picture to our timeline. One of these pictures is on our timeline. You can either drag for it to expand it. So I just want to expand it so it will be okay for us in this tutorial. So you see text at this down, you tap on text, then you tap add text. So you add your text. What do you want to write? So let's say welcome to my channel. So we just said welcome to my channel. We just add text. Then you can add font. Which font do you want? We can decide to explore on the font. You can see different type of fonts. Some are paid and some are not paid. You can decide to download the font you want. So if you continue using it, you can decide to download the font you want. So as long as you continue using it, it will always be there. You don't have to look for it. It will just be there. So if I say I want to download this font, you have seen that cloud icon over there. We just download that font and here's the preview. You can see the preview. I'm just trying to use the non-paid font. If not, we can also use, you see, this paid, but I want something whereby we can add font, and after everything we can export our video smoothly, because I don't want it to be pressured, say okay you have to card your CapCut before you can use CapCut. So I want you to know that you can use CapCut without even subscribing to their paid version. So let's scroll and look for the one we are going to be using. I think I like this one. So when you find the font you like, then you head over to style. You can decide to tap on it for long and you can favorite it. You see, I just added it to my favorite. So next time when I'm looking for it, I'll just come straight to my favorite and I'll find it there. So let's head over to style. Over here you can see different type of style. Which style do you want? You can decide to blend your own color, but I have not brand anyone yet, so it's not showing there. So you can decide to pick any style you want. Are you seeing this? Any style you tap on, automatically you will just see the preview on the screen. So it's your choice if you like it or not. So you can continue exploring on the app until you find the one you like for your video or your picture. So I like this one and I like this one. So which one should we go with? I think we'll just go with this one. This one is looking nice. It's looking nice. So also you can use the glow effect where the text will be giving that sparkly vibe. I think it's because of the font I use right now. No, I think it's the style I use. That's why I'm not having that sparkle vibe. So let me use this one and you will see. Are you seeing the font is shining? You can see is the font is glowing. So you can decide to glow your font, most especially if you are editing those DIY video, uh, those vlog. If you're editing vlog, yeah, you can use this in glow font. So but I don't want this, so I don't want to use this glow font. I'm just showing you so you can have an idea about it, since we are talking about how to add text. So we just tap on uh, null, means we don't want to use it. You see this place, automatically it just goes off. So let's head over to style. Since let me pick the one I decide to use. I want to use this one. So let's head over to style. Style also is showing you, style is also another place where you can have different type of font in a different style. So you can see different colors. Which one do you want to use? But many of all these ones I'm tapping right now, you can see they are paid effects. You cannot use them if you don't have um a standard a standard partnership with CapCut. So I'm just showing you so we can explore on them so you can see how it is, since we are talking about how to add text on your photo or video. So this is just like a tour. So let me remove this. So if you want to add animation, you see this in over here, this how you want the text to enter inside. Then you see the art over there, how the text is bound to leave. Then you see this loop over here, this is how you want the text to remain on the video. So as long as the text is on the video, what motion do you want it to display, how do you want it to be like? So let's just go over them again. So let's start from in right now. I tap on this, you see how the text came into how the text came into the picture. This is the timer. I can decide to increase the time, or I can decide to reduce the time. If I reduce the time, it's gonna be very fast. So if I reduce the time, okay, I reduce the time, it not even make any move. So but if I increase the time, or let me say I put it somewhere here, you see it to be very fast. So if I put the timer here, you will see it will take it slow and steady. So I actually like this one that always move very slow and steady. I like it because it will make your viewer anticipating what is it writing, what's coming in, what's coming out, so they can be like, okay, okay, they will be like, they will be cool, you understand? So this is for in right now. So let's go for out. How do you want the text to leave? So you see fade out, you see spin out, you see typewriter. So for the in, I use type in. Then let's say okay, we want to use type out. We want to use typewriter for the type out. So let me tap on it. So you see, okay, for the what's going on? So So I think I'm for one of the same test, I'm now using two effects. I just finished using in, and now I'm using at. So I think there's a glitch there. So what I will just do, I will remove the in. Since I already showed you how the in came in, this is how the in came in. So now we should remove it so we can have an experience of the art. So let's go to art, and this is what we will get. So you just saw that. But if we know how to use this typing, we can also use different animation. over here on the CapCut app, you just decide which one do you want to use. Are you seeing? Wow, this one is so fine, but it's on the it's on the paid plan. So let me just find someone. Let me just find the one that is not in unpaid. You see this pin out. This one is also nice. So let's go over to loop. And loop, I told you, loop is how do you want the how do you say I just go and put it on none so it will not show the out again, so I can use the loop, since that's what we did for in. We are not using it for loop. So what was I saying? I say loop is for how you want the text to remain, how you want the text to appear while it is on the video. So if we tap on wobble, you see the text will be bouncing, so you see how fast and how slow. So this is how slow. We want it to be slow, slow, slow. And this is how fast it will be, like something is happening. So that's for animation. You see, that's for animation. So also we are, and there's bubbles. The bubbles is when you want, if you want to create those effects where you want to pass your message through writing, be like you just, okay, let me tap something like this, so it will just be on this writing. So somebody can just be like, okay, says welcome to my channel. You understand? That's for bubble. And you can select any type you want on the CapCut app. And I think these do not actually have any paid version. I'm not seeing any paid version over here. So CapCut actually want you to come and explore this and enjoy it a lot. So they ain't putting any subscription on this. So you see, this is also nice, but I don't want to use this. So let's just undo. So we just undo till it gives me the font I was using. So this was the font I was using. Okay, let me not stress it. Let me just go back and add my style back. This was this. Okay, no, this was the style I was using. So after adding your text, you can decide to move your text to any angle you want, all by tapping on it, moving it to wherever you want. And also you can move your text. You can trim as well to where you want it to start, to where you want it to show forth from. So that was it. So you can move. Are you seeing? You can move. You can add more than one text also. You can continue adding as many tests as you want, and you don't this the first one is already showing this method, and you don't want the second one to show this the same method. You can head over to your tab. You can head over to your font, change it the way you want it, the style, the effect. You just explore deep over here, and you can enjoy the best of CapCut. So this is what we got. This is what we just did right now. So this is to let you know that it doesn't surround only one font. You can add as many fonts as you want, and you can also trim to the beginning of it. So you can as well split. You see split here, and you can as well delete. Can as well delete, and you can as well tap on it and move. So that's how to add text on your CapCut image or video. So you can proceed to export, and you just add text to your photo on CapCut. Now you can decide to share to your Instagram, Facebook, or even TikTok or YouTube. And that's how to add text and customize font in CapCut. Now you can make your own video more professional. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't have to miss any of our video. Drop a comment, more CapCut tips so we can continue creating more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye.